Here's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It comes with all the amenities you need: active noise cancellation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, leather metal look steering wheel, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, trailer sway control, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and power heated mirrors. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.